Someone said, please, Prince TV Global, tell us more about female genital mutilation or female circumcision. If you have never heard about this word, female genital mutilation, it simply means female circumcision, circumcising a woman. And it's so surprising that in this era of life we are, some people are still practicing this female genital mutilation, and this art is still being encouraged in some of our communities, because they tend to believe that when a lady is circumcised, it reduces promiscuity, it makes the lady not to be promiscuous, like the woman won't be after men. But honestly, most believe of all these our forefathers, I take it to be wrong, because for a girl child to be promiscuous has nothing to do with her down there, For a girl to be promiscuous has nothing to do with her down there, because being promiscuous is an act you develop on your own. You develop the act on your own, and it has nothing to do with your private region. So, besides, we have a lot of responsible women out there who are not circumcised, and they are not even after men. They are not promiscuous, just as our forefathers they claim, just as they believe. So to me, I see this as a superstitious belief. That is how I see it. So my dear, I don't really want, I don't really see any reason to this whole female genital mutilation, because when a girl child is circumcised, it has both long side effects and short side effects. And this lady, in a long run, she's tend not to enjoy knacking, She will not enjoy knacking, because that clee, I use the word clee, that main thing there, in that area of her private region that helps to stimulate her knacking vibe, it has been cut off. That thing that helps to stimulate her knacking vibe, they have removed it, they have cut it off, making the lady not to enjoy knacking. Honestly, this has caused a lot of problem in a lot of homes, a lot of marriages. Imagine getting married to a woman, and from week to week she can't even tell you, honey, I need you. Imagine when you even try to touch her, it's as if nothing is working. It's as if, her body is inching her, because the thing that is supposed to stimulate her body is no longer there. The purpose of that thing is to keep your body ready for knacking. But at this point, the thing has been cut off. It's no longer there, making the woman not to enjoy knacking. So it's just like, maybe like trying to start a car without using an ignition. You want to you want to knock with your woman, and for you to get her ready, you have to do all the doable things to stimulate her body and also get the body ready for what you want to do. But at this point, since that stimulation, that key is not there to start it, it won't be possible. It will be very difficult. So imagine trying to start a car without the ignition, without using key to start the car. So my dear, the key is what helps to stimulate the body of a woman. That's why no matter how beautiful you are, once your boyfriend notices that you are circumcised, my dear, it is very difficult for the man to marry you. Yes, it is very difficult for the man to get married to you, because he understands the stress that is involved. Not everybody can be able to endure those things. It will lead to cheating. It will make the husband to cheat, making the woman to be worried. She will question herself, what's happening to me? Why am I like this? It will cause a lot of problem in the marriage. So to me, I don't buy any idea of whatever has to do with this female genital mutilation, being circumcising a woman. But I also want to know your take on this, because every day we are still learning. I want to know your own idea. I want to know what you have at the back of your mind about this female genital mutilation. I also want to know what you think about it, and also please drop your opinion at the comment section. But for me, I say no to female genital mutilation, being female circumcision. So this is all I have to share with you guys in regards to this video. Thank you very much for staying tuned. Thank you very much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, and do well as to share with a friend if you got value. For all my returning subscribers and followers, this is Prince TV Global saying thank you. See you guys in the next one. Bye.